Well, happy Tuesday morning. I'm King 5 meteorologist Rich Marriott, and we've got ourselves a pretty good front pushing in today. We've got rain that's been moving in during the morning commute, and fortunately did not impact the morning commute very much today, but may impact the afternoon commute. As you can see, rain now up and down the sound with snow falling up in the mountains, and looking for a pretty good snowfall with this one. In fact, one of the best we've had so far this winter, which we desperately need at this point. And you can see we still have a little bit of rain shadowing by the Olympics up there towards Whidbey Island, Camano Island areas, but that's going to fill in as we head towards a little bit later on this morning. Looking out for our Bellingham tower cam, like all of our tower cams, has had a good shaking during the course of the morning. They've seen wind gusts up there over 40 miles per hour today, and that rain definitely coming down. And see most of the cameras out there showing a little bit of that wind, and we're going to see most of that wind this morning. We'll see the winds gradually diminish as we head into the afternoon hours today. Queen Anne's been getting well washed today, and certainly there in Tacoma starting off the day. Checking our 7-day forecast. First alert weather day today because of the occasionally heavy rain in the lowlands today and the blustery winds out there. Nothing extreme, but definitely impacting travel around the sound. And that heavy mountain snow. We're looking for 1 to 2 feet of snow between now and tomorrow morning. So conditions over the passes will be gradually getting worse during the course of the day. Another system moves through tomorrow, but it's definitely weaker. We'll look at what to expect from that one, and then we gradually see some drying as we head towards the end of the week. So if you're trying to get out and do something outside, it's a better time to be doing it. What we're looking for today is those gusty winds and briefly heavy rain, the heavy mountain snow, the reasons we've made it a first alert weather day today. Checking our winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. That's in place until 4 p.m. tomorrow, and the winter weather advisory in place until 7 o'clock tonight from the Weather Service. Checking those wind gusts so far, you see some 30 to 40 mile per hour ones up there in the North Sound, and 29 miles per hour there in Seattle. And we should see most places get into at least the 30 to 40 mile per hour gust range. Looking at the satellite image, you can see a pretty good cold front. That's going to be pushing through during mid-afternoon, turning the rain to off and on showers around Puget Sound. But cool and showery air moving in, and a pretty good west-northwesterly flow is going to give us some good lift over the Cascades and continue to squeeze out quite a bit of snow, it looks like, as we head towards overnight tonight. See those forecast wind gusts kind of peak during the morning, and then we gradually see them diminish as we head towards the afternoon. Doesn't go away altogether, but will become less of a factor. And checking the rainfall, you can see this front moving through, and you can see it actually moves through Puget Sound as we head towards mid-afternoon, and we'll start to see a break in the precipitation in the lowlands. This storm, unlike a lot of the storms we've had this winter, the snow levels stay low during the precipitation, so we're going to see it all fall of snow at the highway mountain passes, and importantly also at the ski area bases, with even more in some of the higher portions of the ski areas. But we drew bottom out around 1,000 feet on Thursday, when you might even see a little bit of wet snow mixed in maybe up in Whatcom and Skagit counties near sea level, but nothing that's going to stick. We start to warm back up again, but fortunately we warm back up again after most of that snowfall has come down. Checking the amounts from this morning on through tomorrow morning, you can see very productive. We're looking for basically 1 to 2 feet of snow possible during that time period. And then on Wednesday into Thursday, again, that storm not as strong, but we're still going to see a pretty good chunk of snow headed our way, maybe about 5 to 10 inches out of that one. And then as we get into Thursday on to Friday, maybe another 2 to 4 inches roughly that we'll get out of that system. So overall, a really good producer around western Washington. Take a look at that forecast then again for the next 7 days. So rainy and blustery in the lowlands today, and we'll see that heavy mountain snow. Tomorrow, again, a weaker system moves in. We're going to be looking for the snow to be considerably less, and then just off and on showers for Thursday. Looks like high pressure pushing in on Friday is going to give us decreasing showers with some clearing in the afternoon. See those temperatures start to come back up again as well. Saturday, partly sunny and dry. Good day to do things outside. We see a system move through with a little bit of rain on Sunday, and then as we start off next week, it looks like we're going to be seeing sunshine and those temperatures right around 50 degrees.